Hi guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me again. I'm here with another video. I have filmed a makeup routine. This is a Valentine's date night makeup look. I have an outfit on right now, very cute, and I'm about to also film a date night outfit look as well to go with this video. But we're first gonna get into makeup. I really hope you enjoy this. I had a lot of fun filming it and I look forward to doing this more. If you have any requests of what you want to see from me, like always, leave it in the comment section. I do read them if you comment. I do really appreciate it. Every like, every subscriber, anyone that even watches my videos or just comes across it and, you know, maybe this wasn't what you were looking for. Thanks so much for the support regardless. But the only way I can continue doing what I'm doing is if you let me know what you want to see and if you let me know that you like what I'm doing. I really do enjoy doing this. It's a lot of fun. It's a great way to get creative for myself and also produce content for those of you out there that want it. So yeah, so we're first gonna start with the makeup tutorial and then we are going to go right into the outfit video and we'll talk soon. See ya. Excuse if there's any makeup on my face right now besides my eyebrows. I was starting a look and I really didn't like how it was coming out, so I decided to change it up. And also what I was doing wasn't really what I would personally wear on a date night for Valentine's Day, and I wanted to be as real as possible with my looks and like what I would wear. You know, I'm not a big artist as far as like creating these elaborate hearts on my eyes and whatnot for Valentine's Day look. Those are great for photos, but that's not what I would wear. So I decided, you know what, let's do a very, very realistic Valentine's Day look, and that would be the best way to go. So I basically just took off everything I had just done and I'm starting over. Love that. So let me zoom you guys in and we'll get started. All right, so to start out, I have the concealer on. I'm going to put a setting powder on it. I'm just gonna be taking a bone colored eyeshadow and just pressing that onto the lid.
A coffee shop, he's got his eyes fixed on the screen. He's taking pictures of his empty cup.
Okay, so to bring you just a little bit closer so you can see, I'm going to start with a nice camel colored eyeshadow just to give like a little bit of a shape up here and a little transition. And then we're gonna deepen it up with some more browns, add a little bit of a gold shimmer and maybe a wing, who knows, maybe we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna start out with some cool tone camel colors, transition shades, just to get the eye going.
I'm sitting next to you.
Alright, so to buff in the crease, to start deepening it up, I'm going to choose a soft brown color. The one I have has got a little bit of a red hint to it, which is fine. So we're going to put that right here in the socket, and I like to like actually open my eye and rub it back and forth because then that creates the actual line I'm looking for. I'm going to start packing a brown, like a deeper brown here in the corner.
Do you want me to spend some time sitting next to you? Do you wonder why?
Okay, so now you see you've got like a good little smoky eye going, and I'm going to take an angled brush now with that same brown shade and run it around my lash line right here. Give a little illusion of a wing.
Is there more than meets the eye?
All right, so see all this right here? This is not staying there, obviously. I'm going to start cleaning this up. I'm gonna clean that up is just with a trusty little makeup wipe.
There is a girl in the lobby. lobby of a cheap hotel.
And for the last part of this eye is I'm just going to add a little bit of shimmer to it. And to do that, I am going to use a flat brush and I'm going to wet it in a little water and pack on the glitter that I want.
Alright, everybody's on their own, lying wide awake at night. And it's alright being far away from home, stuck between the...
Alright, so that is it for the eyeshadow on the top row. And I'm going to blend this out one more time with my blender brush, and then we will move on to lips, and then we'll be done. Okay, so now that my base is on, everything is done. I just need to smoke out my lower lash line, add some lipstick, and I am ready to go on a night out for Valentine's Day. For my lower lash line, I'm not really going to do anything crazy intense. I'm literally just going to take that deep brown shade and smoke it out, connect it to this tail, and that is it.
On the screen, he's taking pictures of his empty cup like it's the cover of a magazine. And it's alright, everybody's on their own, pretending everything's fine. Yeah, it's alright, let you sleep.
Alright, so I add a little bit of mascara to the lower lash line, and now I'm going to do lips. I'm going to use my KKW Beauty lip liner. This is in Nude 1. I'm going to line my lips, and then I'm going to put a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Mannequin in the center. Let that dry down for a minute, and then I'm going to go a little further and I'm going to add a gloss on top just to make it look juicy, sexy, all that jazz. So we're going to go with the lip liner first, and I'm going to start lining my lips. After I sharpen it, because this thing is dull as shit right now. Okay, so I roughly lined them really quickly, and now I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Mannequin liquid lipstick and pop that on there. So I'm going to now put on a gloss, and you could go any way you want. You can do a clear gloss just to enhance the lips. You can do a color gloss. You can do glitter. But for this, I wanted to keep it a little more nude still. I'm going to use a juicy lip gloss from ColourPop. This is a plumping gloss, and this is in the shade Beechwood. And I think it's going to pair very nicely with the look.
There is a girl in the lobby of a cheap hotel.
All right, and that is it, you guys. This is the final look. It's very bronzy, very sexy, smoky, great for a night out, and I hope you have a great Valentine's Day and spend it with someone you care about, and make sure to tell people you care about them, and have a good day. We'll talk soon, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Being far away from home, stuck between the neon lights. Do you want me to spend some time sitting next to you? Do you wonder why? Is there more than meets? Is there more than meets the eye? Shop. He's got his eyes fixed on the screen. He's taking pictures of his empty cup like it's the cover of a magazine.